Hello everyone, we are Team Runtime Terrors and today we are excited to introduce you to our ML Smart Programming Farming Assistant. In a country where agriculture supports millions of families, farmers still struggle to get the right guidance at the right time. With Fossil Guide, our goal is to simplify their daily challenges by combining technology with practical field ready support. Our app helps farmers make smarter, faster, and more reliable decisions for their crops, all through an easy, accessible, and intuitive platform. The problems that farmers face today that they lack accessible and affordable digital tools that can provide timely guidance for crop management, irrigation planning, and pest control. Most existing solutions are either too complex, expensive, or not available in regional languages, making them difficult for small and marginal farmers to use. Because of this, farmers often rely on guesswork, delayed information, and outdated practices. This leads to lower crop yields, increased input cost, and major sustainability challenges, especially with unpredictable weather and rising climate risk.
Fossil Guide is an AI-based farming assistant app that works like a smart digital Krishi Mitra for every farmer. Instead of depending on scattered information or delayed expert guidance, farmers can simply interact with our app and get instant reliable support. Fossil Guide offers real-time personalized recommendations based on farmers' crop type, location, and current farming needs, along with expert tips for crop care, fertilizer planning, soil insights, and best farming practices. Our app also provides live weather updates, such as rainfall alerts, temperature changes, humidity levels, and climate risk, helping farmers plan their daily activities more efficiently. We have also integrated a map based feature that allows farmers to view area specific weather patterns, nearby resources, and region wise crop suggestions, making the entire experience more smart, intuitive, and location aware. In short, Fossil Guide brings accurate, easy to understand farming guidance directly to the farmer's fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Now we will see the demo.
Hello, let's create a farmer. Let's log in. So this is our basic dashboard. Here you can see welcome, like what's happening on your farm, your number of farms, acres, estimated profits, alerts, water efficiency, and alert upcoming task and crop distribution. Now, what a farmer would do, like getting login into app. Now let's create a farm. He'll create a farm. Let's create a two demo farms. Let's select a crop. Let's select sugarcane, which is in Pune. Now, for map purposes, we have autofilled like auto-fetched OpenStreet APIs to fetch longitude and long latitudes. For example, it's the farm is around 5 acres. The soil type is black soil. Soil pH is acidic. Let's see. The irrigation well is canal. Sowing Let's see. Now let's see. Farmers updated. This will show the Pune's weather for now. Harvest rate, 29 days to harvest. Irrigation type no. Let's click on farm. See about our main USP. Get recommendation. Here on this page, you can see your farm, sugarcane and banana. You can see their compatibility, suitability is pretty low. It's good. Now, how can a farmer enhance it? Let's see. Now he'll click on view details. He can see the problems here. Here is irrigation method drip, not preferred. As banana don't prefer any drip irrigation. This is a fact. It prefers wells or canal. If you have water shortages, try supplementing with rainwater and change timing or shift irrigation. Next, current month no, not current month is no, not ideal for sowing. They're Jan or Feb. This is also a fact. Now, if you will ask, is this AI? No, this is not AI. I'll explain you further. Now let's edit and fix these problems. How can a farmer can fix these problems? Like let's edit farm data. The first is drip well or canal or our crop date. Let's change this. We'll edit the farm data. Let's change this to well or canal. And I'll save the changes. I'll check again. As you can see, suitability has been increased. How this our recommendation system helps our farmer. Now let's talk about sugarcane. Let's review details. The problem with sugarcane is it needs loamy or alluvial soil. Current is black soil, which is not preferable. Our pH is pretty low. It's pretty acidic, which is not too acidic. Best growth. Soil is too acidic, so therefore we can fix it. It has been increased, and even farmer can follow these Feb or March. As you know, Rabi Kharif seasons are different. Now let's talk about this whole system. How is this working? Now coming to this. We thought we could use AI, but no, we prefer smart programming. Why? Because it has cotton loves black soil. This is a fact. Drip irrigation saves 40% water. This is data. Whether AI, what crop should I plant? Waiting for response. This is a slow, and as we don't have any funding, we cannot scale it. Or neither, as you know, the AI query cost money. Scoring algorithm. If the soil is black, 30 points. If the irrigation is 25 points. API call to get Gemini, network access, AI response 2 to 5 seconds. Instant result. Are this smart programming? Create instant result. 92 by 100. Excellent response time is less than 50 milliseconds. Black box. I think cotton is good maybe. Why? The model said so. So therefore, we prefer this smart programming approach instead of AI. In future scope, we can definitely work on AI. Let's coming back to the app. You can refresh. You can add as many farms as you can. Let's see farm app. This is just a visual representation of where your farms are. We selected Chennai and we selected Pune. Okay, so now let's coming to analytics. As you can see, analytics page have calculated or analyzed all the farms. There are no alerts right now. If the due for harvesting is near, it will definitely show you a risk alert. There are two farms, land acquired 15, and estimated profit is 5,530. This is crop distribution. Water efficiency, no, because there is no drip irrigation. Therefore, the water efficiency is shown 0. The USP of this page is export CSV. Here you can download your farm data. This is a new one, new farm data. Let's say desktop. Save. Let's open this. You can see you can get your data here in the Excel sheet. It will calculate your net profit, soil pH, and if you want this is definitely we provided. Let's come to the knowledge base now.
This is the knowledge base section of Fasal Guide, a simple library of guides for farmers. Here, farmers can read quick practical tips on crops, soil health, irrigation, and pest management.
Now you can see there are many articles here. How to quick guides on sowing. These are just demo things. We can more like we can implement this in a larger scale. We have save water, increase yield, how to do irrigation. Now coming to settings, here you can see or change your email ID, phone number, or your name, however you want. You can download your JSON data. Now let's now about help and support. For as new users, farmer can have some questions like how do I update farm coordinates of the app? It will be auto fetched by the app using API. Why is recommendation missing from my crop? For now, we have only 30 crops. Now we have only 30 crops in our database. I'll show you. As you can see here, we have 30 crops: cotton, coriander, wheat. These are this is our database currently. As we are not using AI, this is smart programming app. Coming back, how can I export my farm data? Export is back in your API. Okay, we use API for exporting farm data from this page. Now talking about our tech stack, we have used Vue plus React Tailwind CSS for styling, frontend, backend. We have Node.js with Express.js for API. Database is MongoDB Atlas.
We aim to make Puzzle Guide a complete farming ecosystem. We plan to add soil testing integration and in-app marketplace and live expert consultations. We'll also introduce image-based disease recognition, a simple farmer expense tracker, and a community page where farmers can share tips, issues, and local updates. These features will make Puzzle Guide smarter, more connected, and even more useful for every farmer.
Thank you. We are Team Runtime Terrors, and we are committed to empowering farmers with smarter, data driven decisions.